Hello friends, this is Tiki Bhattacharya and today my topic is virtual ground. So what is virtual ground and why we called it virtual ground? So it's a part of operational amplifier and this is the op-amp. This is negative terminal, this is positive terminal, this is V out. So let's clear at first the concept of virtual ground. So virtual ground is applicable when we are providing negative feedback to the op-amp. So we are providing negative feedback to the op-amp. Negative terminal means inverting terminal and non-inverting terminal is grounded. This is V in, we are applied V in to the negative terminal means inverting terminal. This is input resistance, this is feedback resistance and this is V out. So let's assume that operational amplifier gain means A is equal to 10 to the power 6. Let's assume that A is equal to 10 to the power 6. So we all know that V out is equal to A into Vd. A is a operational amplifier gain and Vd is a differential of input terminals. Input terminals. So let we say that we assume that the negative feedback we are controlling the output voltage in a op-amp in such a way that the V out less than V saturation. Let we assume that the negative feedback we are controlling the output voltage in a op-amp in such a way that V out less than V saturation. That means op-amp in a linear region and op-amp act like a amplifier. So easily we can say that let V out is equal to 10 volt. A is equal to 10 to the power 6. So we all know that V out is equal to AVD. So VD is equal to A by V out. V out by Vd is equal to A. So Vd is equal to V out by A means 10 volt by 10 to the power 6 means 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 volt means 10 microvolt Then Vd is a differential input terminals. It's a differential between two input terminals. Means this is Vd. So we can say that Vd is equal to V plus minus V minus, V plus minus V minus. Yes, of course, we say that. Now, this is Vd is equal to 10 to the power microvolt. So V plus minus V minus is equal to 10 to the power microvolt. Let 10 to the power microvolt is very small signal and we can almost neglect it. So we can say that V plus minus V minus is approximately 0 volt. So V plus is equal to V minus. Let it be proved. That means virtual ground is none other than is a one type of ground that no current will flow between these two terminals, but voltage are always equal. Means positive voltage is equals to negative terminal voltage. No current will flow between these two terminals, but voltage are always equal. So let it be. This is a short circuit, means I1 is equal to I2, V1 is equal to V2, and this is a open circuit. No current will flow between these two terminals. No current will flow, but voltage are always equal or same. No current will flow, but voltage are always same or equal. This is called virtual ground, means this two terminal is virtually grounded. No current will flow between these two terminals, but all voltage are always equal. Thank you.